So guys, this is the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. I got the handler, a case, an extra battery, a 32 GB card along with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So now I will start unboxing the camera. So this is how the packaging looks like. Feels pretty good, feels kind of premier. Okay, so we are finally inside the box. This is how the carrying case looks like. There is a GoPro branding, a handle to hold the box, and a nice touch, a nice blue zipper here. So I will get inside the box now. Cool. So all the materials are neatly arranged inside the box. So we will start off with this one. This is the 32 GB memory card along with the adapter, and I guess this is the GoPro Plus subscription. They're describing their subscription service here, and I guess this is the quick start guide. Some bunch of other paperwork. These are GoPro stickers. These look good. I guess this is the manual. Okay, so these are the safety instructions for the product. So this was all inside this zipper. Now let's get into the other side of the packaging. I don't know what this is. I need to look into what this is. This is a USB-C type to A type cable, which is good. And these are the two batteries for the GoPro. I got one extra battery. And these are the mounts for the GoPro itself. This is a screw, and this is the GoPro itself. Wow, it's pretty small. It says 8 black over here, and then GoPro here. Looks very premium to me. And along with this I got another item, so I will just remove this. So this is the handler. That's how GoPro names it. I can place the mount here and then the GoPro, and then shoot the video like this. And this one has the wrist strap, so I can wear it on my wrist and then tighten accordingly. That's pretty good. Okay, so I can keep this inside. It gives a little bit structure to the bag. I don't know if I'll keep it or just throw it away. So I'll put this aside, and then turn on the camera, I guess. So this is the place where the battery goes in. inserted the battery here. I will also insert the memory card now. So I have the memory card. Yeah, it goes in like this. So I have inserted the battery and the memory card inside the GoPro. These are the two clips for the mounts. These are added features for the GoPro Hero 8. These were not there in the earlier generations. Now I will turn on the camera. So let's turn it on. So this is the power button. Has turned on. So guys, I will put on the mount on the camera now, and right here I have the screw here. Yeah, so the mount is already done. So I need to select the language. I'll select English. Here it shows some legal stuff. I click agree, and then says that it will capture GPS location when videos and photos are taken. So I'll click on, and it is suggesting me to install the GoPro app on the phone to finish the setup. Okay, so I will install the app later on. Okay. I will skip the setup for now. So this is the viewfinder where the camera is recording. So this one shows the battery percentage. I guess it shows the amount of memory left on the memory card. And the front screen also shows the amount of battery remaining and the amount of memory remaining on the memory card, and this one shows the mode in which the camera is shooting right now. So I will try putting on this mount right now, and I will turn off the camera because now it's showing as 12% battery is remaining. I'll prefer to operate it with full charge, so I'll just turn it off now. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the short unboxing and short review of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. I will post another in-depth review of the camera itself. Thanks.